Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up OBS to stream on WhatsApp 2025 tutorial. As you can see right here, I'm currently on Google. So the first thing you want to do right now is make sure that you have your OBS on your PC. So in here, I'm going to type in OBS download, like so. Let me just type it in right there. And by the way, guys, this also works on all devices if you're using a laptop, a MacBook, or a Windows PC. So click on this one and basically download OBS from here. As you can see, it also supports Linux. Now once that's done, when that's good, it should be looking like this. It's the one I'm using right now, and as you can see, it's currently recording. So how can we directly record to WhatsApp? The answer to that one is there is no direct connection of WhatsApp to OBS. What you can do is you can open a tab here and just open up your WhatsApp and basically stream it from here. You just need to make sure you have your display capture by adding resources on this option right there. And as you can see, there is media source right here. There's also display capture right there. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Goodbye for now.